So Dr. Ramin, Eid is coming up, right? And there are a lot of girls who are like me, जिनको last minute पे याद आता है कि ओहो यार ना तो कपड़े और ना ही हमने कुछ फेशियल कराया है, ना ही कोई ऐसा ट्रीटमेंट लिया है. So let's say जो अभी ट्यून इन कर रहा है, जिनके पास टाइम कम है, वो क्या कर सकते हैं?
So we have almost 1 week left, right?
Okay, yeah.
Eid is on Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
So as you know, कि all of these aesthetic treatments they have a downtime. Downtime होता है. Downtime का मतलब है redness, हल्की सी swelling हो जाती है.
और आप मेकअप भी नहीं लगा सकते, I think immediately.
For 3 days,
For 3
at
days.
least.
अच्छा.
Yeah, 24 to 48 hours is must. But I think the treatment that you can get right now without any downtime is one is a facial therapy, medical grade peptide facial therapy. I have introduced it at my setup. It's
how
actually
interesting.
really good. Yeah, it's a facial, but it's a medical grade facial.
Okay.
Yeah, and the other thing
Peptide.
that
And peptides are doing really well, Ramin.
they are
They are doing really well, right? I
Yeah.
hear. So is that good for acne scars also?
Not
so
it's
much.
It's good for anti-aging and you know like your
Anti-aging.
skin health overall,
ठीक है.
but not mainly for acne.
Acne scars पे बाद में आएंगे, हमें इसके सवाल बहुत आते हैं.
Yeah, so इसके अलावा एक ट्रीटमेंट है स्किन बूस्टर. आप वो ले सकते हैं, एज यू नो कि स्किन बूस्टर है, so it's gonna give you instant results
Okay.
without any downtime.
Oh,
So that's
and
the
is that an
reason.
injectable skin
Yes.
booster?
That's an injectable.
Right.
That's an
And Ramin, do
injectable.
people come to you and are they scared of these needles and all?
Everybody is scared of needles.
Yeah.
But I
But
think
करा लेते हैं.
करवा लेते हैं. You know that there is a hype also. Everybody wants the good skin. Everybody wants,
Yeah,
you know, the
absolutely.
tightened skin. So करवा लेते हैं. But also like my patients tell me I have a light hand, so they
How
get it
lovely
done.
is that? How lovely is that? And I believe needle की different sizes भी होते हैं, right?
Yeah.
So we call the procedure microneedling, is it? और फिर उसके through हम different treatments करते हैं.
Microneedling is done through a pen.
Okay.
Yeah. So उसके थ्रू आप different cocktails को infuse कर सकते हैं
Yeah.
अपने skin के अंदर. Depends on the depth. वो 0.25 से लेके 3 mm की डेप्थ तक होता है.
Ooh.
तो उससे आप डिफरेंट कॉकटेल्स को अपने PRP को
PRP
बहुत
को.
कॉमन है. PRP फेशियल,
Yeah.
PRP
In fact, let's hold that thought. PRP के बारे में हम थोड़ा सा डिटेल में आके आपको बताएंगे कि how it takes basically your blood and centrifuges it, I
Yes,
think,
it's
and then
centrifuges.
basically how it's done. तो ये बिल्कुल scary नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा आपने इंटरनेट पे भी देखा होगा.
looks intimidating but
Nah,
it's not.
It's not. Absolutely. अच्छा रामीन, मैं आपसे पूछना ये चाहूँगी कि since there's so many things that you do, there's PDR and there's PRP, there's exosomes, there's peptides. I would love it if you can rate it for us. ठीक है?
don't make me
Rate it
do
for us
that.
in terms of किस तरह की स्किन टाइप पे क्या काम करता है, एक्ने स्कार्स पे क्या काम करता है. उसमें योगा की जितनी भी औरतें अभी देख रही हैं, एंड मर्द भी. Now men are into this as well. और जिनके जो भी ट्रीटमेंट्स उनको जरूरत है, they'll understand from you then.
Okay.
Let's start
do
with
it.
PRP.
So I have to rate it or I have to tell that?
You can rate it. You can tell us कि लोग क्यों PRP कराते हैं.
Okay, so PRP is actually really good, but the quality depends on how good of a quality of your blood is.
अच्छा.
Second, it's good for overall everything, but I recommend PRP for younger patients, for just you know girls and boys who are starting their treatments and they want to maintain themselves. 21 से ऊपर हो गए हैं and they want to start something though, so I tell them to start with just the PRP. It's natural. उनका खुद का blood होता है, उससे centrifuge करते हैं.
Yeah.
So it's a good starter.
ठीक है.
But it's
और
not
अगर आपका
as
खून
potent
खुद
as
साफ नहीं है?
other things. साफ तो होता है, but like the quality, right? How
Yeah.
good of a quality, like
आप
how
healthy
good of a
खा रहे हो,
lifestyle,
workout कर रहे हो.
खा रहे हो, workout कर रहे हो, नींद पूरी कर रहे हो. So वो completely उसके ऊपर dependent होता है.
ठीक है. PRP हो गया. अब पेप्टाइड्स पर आ जाते हैं.
Peptides is
उसका रीजंस क्या होते हैं? Which
I
girls
think
would you
8
recommend?
girls who have crossed 25.
अच्छा.
Because 25 पे आपकी cellular aging शुरू हो जाती है.
ठीक है.
So it's a good regeneration for your skin. Overall glow में बहुत help करता है. It improves your laxity of the skin. वो जो हम कहते हैं ना कि
Yeah.
हमारी skin loose हो गई है.
Yeah.
तो वो like stretch a little bit.
Yeah.
So it's good for those people like
ठीक
who have
है.
crossed 25.
ठीक है. And what about PDRN?
It's for everybody.
It's everybody.
It's for everybody. It's
and what is
obviously-
PDRN? Is it also regenerative tool?
It
for
is
us?
a regenerative medicine, very strong regenerative medicine. Works amazingly for your pigmentation.
अच्छा.
For your
Pigmentation के
over-
बहुत issues होते हैं लड़कियों
बहुत
को.
issues होते हैं, like under the eye. It's one of the most favorite treatments of mine. I don't like a lot of fillers. For fillers, my goal is always less is more. But when I'm injecting PDRN, I'm completely safe. बहुत natural results
Yeah.
होते हैं. It takes a few sessions, unlike fillers, but it's definitely worth it.
Is it more expensive as well?
It is because you need sessions, right?
So is this what is the salmon DNA?
Yes.
Is that what it is?
Yes.
How interesting is that? Acha, and we've
very
been hearing a lot about exosomes also. So tell us
I
about
love
that.
exosomes. I cannot stop talking about exosomes,
Exosomes.
but
Okay, so if you were to rate, तो ये top पर होता.
10 out of 10.
No
Top.
way.
Yes.
And
This
exosomes is also an
PDRN
expensive
also.
treatment.
It is an expensive treatment. It is an expensive treatment, but I love it for the hair. I love it for the skin. It works for your scar. काफ़ी चीज़ों में काम आ रहा है exosomes.
अच्छा.
आपके सिर्फ aesthetic में नहीं, aesthetic की वजह से फेमस हो गए.
Yeah.
But even like in orthopedic भी use हो रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
Yes, yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes.
How interesting.
It is very interesting.
Okay. So अभी अगर let's say some women are watching you right now और जो सोच रही हैं कि okay let's go and fix an appointment. You would say okay they can get the peptide facial.
Yes.
They can get what else can
If
they
they
get?
want to do something like bare minimum करना है, the least that you can do, get the medical grade peptide facial
ठीक है.
which has some kind of infusion.
Yeah.
अगर
It's like a
आपने
mix
कुछ
of
directly
cocktail.
inject करवाना है, you don't want to get the micro needling done, then just get the PDR injections or like probably hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a holy grail molecule.
Yeah.
Everybody
it's good
knows.
for hydration.
Yes, because it's important because with age we lose a lot of volume and
course.
hydration from our face,
Of course.
our entire body. So it's a good
course.
skin
Absolutely.
booster. Yeah.
अच्छा हमें अक्सर सवाल आता है डॉक्टर अमीन for dark circles. How do we quickly fix tired eyes from a night before or maybe a lifetime of tiredness?
See, medicine is not a magic, right?
Yeah.
You need to have a consistent routine. एक दिन के अंदर कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला. एक दिन, for suppose if you have something the next day, वो cucumber slice रख लें, उससे probably थोड़ा सा deep puff हो जाएगा. सुबह में icing कर लें, उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Under eye is a very tricky area to treat. You can never make it perfect, but you can always improve it. First of all, fix your sleep. अगर आपकी sleep अच्छी नहीं है, no matter how expensive treatments you are getting, it's not gonna bring a lot of results. Sleep बेहतर करनी है, आपने अपने vitamins पूरे करने हैं, लड़कियां अपनी iron पूरी करें,
Yeah.
और लड़के अपनी नींद पूरी करें, और like good lifestyle and everything.
Yeah.
उसके बाद the treatment that I really like, if you want to just start your under eye treatment, is I like PRF injections under the eye. It's just
Oh,
like
I've never heard of
PRP.
these.
Yes. But
PRF.
it needs continuous stimulation. वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बार करवाना पड़ता है.
Okay.
But if you want less sessions and
Is
you
it like
want natural,
PDRN?
yeah, but it drives from your own blood.
Okay.
Yeah,
तो
it's
उसमें
just
वही
like
depend
PRP.
करता है कि if you have
Yeah.
a clean
लेकिन
blood.
it also needs
nice.
continuous stimulation. आपको
अच्छा.
40 days में 50 days में एक बार करवाना पड़ता है.
ठीक है.
6 to 8 sessions देख करवाने पड़ते हैं in order to see good results. अगर आपको कम sessions करवाने हैं, then go for PDRN. It's
Yeah.
polynucleotides for under eye is the best treatment that you
Yeah.
can get done. But
I
if
had
you
a
want
friend
an
who got it
instant
done.
fix,
I had a friend who got and she had severe dark circles. मतलब वो जो purple नहीं हो जाते आपके,
Yes,
उसके बिल्कुल
yes,
वैसे थे. She got PDRN done from London, I think, and उसने एक दफा कराया. It was visible difference.
really, one time.
And
We need
उसके-
to know what product she is using.
Yeah, well, maybe she's using great ones, right? Because I think ये आधी चीजें आपकी यूरोप से आती हैं,
सब
आधी
वहीं से आते हैं.
आपकी
Even
चाइना वगैरह
पाकिस्तान
से
में
भी
भी.
होती हैं.
China से तो नहीं होते, but
US.
like the quality, yes.
Yeah.
A lot of treatments are, a lot of injectables are US and European based.
So Ramin, that makes me wonder sometimes as well कि हम पाकिस्तानी औरतें लगाती हैं और ये इतना ज़्यादा रिसर्च बेस्ड काम नहीं होता. आप बेसिकली गोरी स्किन पे कर रहे होते हो ये. Mostly the Europeans, right?
Yes.
There's one thing in which placenta से वो लोग लेते हैं. तो my concern
American
exosomes,
exosomes.
right?
Yes,
So
yes.
one would think कि किसका placenta है जो मेरे मुंह पे लग रहा है.
हाँ.
Don't
ये
you think
patients
that?
के questions हैं
हाँ,
और
मतलब
इन
I
पे
think that.
research भी हो रही है. But see, clinical trials में तो हैं चीज़ें
Yeah.
and इतने सारे treatments हो चुके हैं पाकिस्तान में भी, आपको पता है it's one of the famous treatment. It's not harmful, but even बहुत soon it's gonna get the approval of a lot of authorities. Yes,
Okay,
yes,
how
it's a good
lovely is
treatment.
that? अच्छा, हमें एक और सवाल आपके लिए आया था, क्या fastest way है अपनी pigmentation सही करने का before the holidays?
Fastest way. Start using a sunblock. You will see a huge difference in 1 month only.
अच्छा.
Yeah, that's the first thing that जो कि first line defense treatment हम अपने patients, especially जो pigmentation वाले patients हैं, उनको हम देते हैं. Start using sunblock. It's gonna get better. Then हम उन्हें obviously topical चीज़ें भी देते हैं use करने के लिए. You know, alpha arbutin is actually really good for your pigmentation. And then we suggest treatments. Pigmentation, we have a lot of treatments. We have, if you want to go for laser, then we have Pico. You can go for Pico.
Yeah,
or
but
if
Pico
you,
is so lame, I'm sorry to say.
probably you're not getting it from the right place.
Really? Well, I don't want to name the place. It's a very famous place in Karachi. I got it done once, ages ago, 3 years ago.
Yeah, see,
क्या पता
Pico-
machines भी इतनी अच्छी ना हो,
नहीं
research भी
होगी,
इतनी अच्छी
लेकिन
ना हो.
Pico के साथ, you know, एक बार से कुछ नहीं होता. See, it's,
I got it done
it's a
twice.
consistent.
And it's expensive.
आपके doctor, yes, it is expensive.
Yeah.
उन्होंने, see, these lasers ना, us doctors, we need to start with the lowest energy. The lowest energy पे हमें उतने ज़्यादा results नहीं मिल सकते.
मिल
लेकिन
सकते.
हम, see, we can't give you the medium or the highest energy
Yeah.
because it might damage your skin. So we have to be very careful with the laser. इसलिए slow effect होता है, but in 3 sessions, 3 sessions my patients.
हाँ, but
see
ये
results.
जल्दी तो नहीं हुआ ना, Ramin.
See,
एक
nothing
में
is
नहीं
jaldi.
हुआ. Nothing is jaldi.
Nothing
Alright.
is jaldi.
One
Yeah,
thing
it's,
you
as
can
I
do-
told you, it's not a magic, it's medicine.
हाँ.
It's going to take time.
Of course, because अभी तो एक हफ्ता रह गया, so women have to really make a move within this 1 week.